Okay, let's test and see whether or not the re-leveling did what we needed it to do. That's where we should have heard a buzz. It's gone. Whoops, sorry. It's clear. Good. We're good there. Sounds good. So we've leveled it enough. Now we can recrown. Unfortunately, the only way that we're going to be able to recrown these with the recrowning tools that I have is to elevate these strings. And in order to elevate these strings high enough, I'm going to have to loosen them up. So I'm just going to loosen them a little bit so that I can get some tool under the strings to elevate them so that I can get my crowning tool in that space that we need to so that I can recrown the top of the frets so that they have a nice rounded surface so that the strings only contact them at one point. I have loosened the strings. Now I'm going to put something in the way to elevate them high enough. In this case, I'm just using my bar sander. And that should allow my fret crowning tool to fit in so that I can reshape the frets to a rounded form by simply filing it